is Monday afternoon. Just had my lunch. This morning I got up at like 6 to get ready to take my dad to his appointment. Yeah, so we came home around like 10, or he finished up at 10, got home, and then just been editing my vlog for this week. I'm gonna take my nap, and then I have my like weekly meeting for face shift, and then later today I'm meeting with my group for our neurotech like homework assignment, just to check in with how we're doing on our assignment and figure out what to do next, because we have to turn our presentation on Sunday, which is also my mom's birthday. Is that this Sunday? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, turn that in by Sunday. Yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys after my meeting probably. Hello, good morning. It is Tuesday morning, heading to Mass, and then I'm meeting up with my friend for lunch a little bit later today, at a new Thai spot that I've never tried, but I love Thai food. Yeah, so this is my friend from college who I haven't seen maybe in a year. Yeah, probably around a year. She's from around here, but she's been down in LA and traveling and whatnot, so I'm excited to see her a little bit later, and then I'll have to work on my stuff, my homework that has to be done later this week. All right, I'll check in with you guys after Mass. Okay, I'm back home, had my breakfast. I'm gonna work on my vlog. I imported all the footage yesterday. I just have to start editing it. And yeah, I'll probably work on it for like an hour, and then I'll start getting ready to go see my friend. Good morning. Made it to the BART station heading to Berkeley. I like didn't vlog at all yesterday, but I just got to see my friend, so it was nice to catch up. We tried a new Thai place, well, new to us Thai place. That was pretty good. So yeah, that was good. And then I came home and worked on some homework. And yeah, this morning I started the new episode of The Summer I Turned Pretty. Need to finish it once I get back. But yeah, I'll check back in later. All done, heading back. And it's apparently like moving day, so it's very packed out here. Back home, yeah, so it was like really busy, or like the streets were full, everything, there was cars, there was people, because I think it's move-in day at Berkeley. So yeah, I had never seen it like that. And then also the bus had like a whole detour thing, so I got up early and just walked the rest of the way. But it was a productive morning. I just got back. Well, I stopped at the store to get some pasta to make lunch. And I let my dog outside, and he loves being in the sun, but it's like 1,000,000,000 degrees. He was just laying out there, and he wouldn't come back in. But he finally came back in. He lays on the air vent because he's extremely warm. Like, well, you were laying in the sun, but you know, he's on the air vent. I'm finishing up The Summer I Turned Pretty, and I will let you know my thoughts. I had my lunch. I accidentally dropped like a bunch of red pepper flakes into my pasta, and so it was extremely spicy, but it was good. But I had to drink a bunch of water. Anyways, finished watching the episode. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. The beach scene. Him, like, what a horrible thing to do to your brother, but also like it needed to be said. And her saying like, what did she even say? Like, saying that what Conrad did to her was worse than what Jeremiah did. I was like, what are you talking about? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Too much to handle, but I need more. I need it. Gonna take a quick little nap and then I'll work on my homework. All right. Good morning. It's gonna be quite a warm day. I think it's supposed to get to like 100 and something, but it's still pretty cool right now. Going to mass and staying for adoration, and then I have to go to the store. I have to get cake pans so I can finally make my cake, and I feel like I had to get something else. Oh, and I'll get my food probably right after. Yeah, I have to finish up the homework. I'm gonna try to finish it today, and then work on my application materials so I can send them to my recommenders this week. Good morning. Just left my little volunteer spot. I think I'm gonna go to mass today because it starts at 12:10 and it's like 12:01. I haven't actually talked to y'all in forever. Today's Saturday. We're seeing my uncle for lunch at my sister's place. My mom's birthday's tomorrow, and she asked me for this pet stroller. She knows I bought it. She picked it out, but I was like, how do I wrap it? Because it's a huge box. And she was like, just put a bow on it. And I was like, okay. So I'm gonna put it together, and then I'll put something on it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brenda. Happy birthday to you.
Uy, mira. No, no me pongo una persona straight. No, pero de todas maneras, siempre la.
Hello. Okay, I'm outside Ace, waiting for my sister because we're gonna go in. I have to look for parts for my prototypes. I don't exactly know what I'm looking for, but I know the general vibe. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything today, but hopefully find some options and take pictures, and then I'll be able to show my like advisor at our meeting on Monday. And then when I go home, I have to like finish up the presentation is done. I just have to make sure the citations are on the presentation or somewhere. Same with the Excel sheet, and then just go over it one last time and talk to my group to make sure it makes sense. And then we should be good. All right, I'll see you guys inside.
Cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos a ti. Cumpleaños felices, te deseamos a ti.